this video tutorial I will cover before method of calendar class and after method of calendar class. Here I have defined a class calendar demo. Here I have created calendar 1. Here I have created calendar 2. Then I am calling before method of calendar 1 and passing calendar 2. This method will check whether calendar 1 is before calendar 2. If it is before calendar 2, then it will return true, else it will return false. If you see, calendar 1 is before calendar 2. So we got true. Here I am calling after method of calendar 1 and passing calendar 2. This method check whether calendar 1 is after calendar 2. If calendar 1 is after calendar 2, then this method returns true, else it will return false. And calendar 1 is not after calendar 2, so we got false.